you want to go somewhere, Boxo? Congratulations! Where do you want to go?
Oh gosh, what is she asking me for? Where do I go to? Back to the village and just forget about me?
I guess we could go to the woods or something, right? Congratulations! Okay, if that's what you wanted. Come with me, Boxo. I'll take you there.
Most time I've seen the woods is bath, right?
Huh? It's all empty. Where we can sleep. Hmm. I always wanted to just forget about me. Well, Boxo, we can stay here for long. Let's just plant some acorns, okay?
Planting some acorns? That sounds like fun.
Okay, just need to put the seeds in there. Let's cover it over. And a little water.
Why did she got that watering can?
Well, I guess it's really good. I've never been exhausted for all my life.
Is she about to go to sleep? Oh, I feel exhausted too. I probably have to close my eyes and go to sleep.